You know how essential equipment uptime is, but if you're using out-of-date systems like Excel and legacy software to manage maintenance, you might be missing red flags that could signal costly problems down the line. Luckily, we can help. Fiix's CMMS helps you easily spot problems, fix them faster, and keep assets running at their best. With Fiix, you can see and manage all your equipment, work, and parts in one place, from repair history to costs, inventory use, and more. No more searching through binders or spreadsheets to find information. If there's an issue on the floor, you can create, schedule, and prioritize a work request in seconds. Technicians are notified instantly, so nothing falls through the cracks. Technicians can even access task lists, equipment history, pictures, and manuals from anywhere using the Fiix mobile app, so repairs can be done faster, safer, and without traveling back and forth to the office. And with custom dashboards and more than 100 pre-built reports, keeping track of your maintenance program has never been more straightforward. It's easy to get started and grow with Fiix, and have a big impact on your business. Are you ready to give it a try? Visit fiixsoftware.com, see how businesses like yours are using Fiix, and get started today.